Hi, this is Roopa, and I'll be walking you through my first TDF project. My desk space desperately needs a laptop stand. I mostly use a monitor with my laptop closed, but sometimes I like to use my laptop as a second screen. I couldn't find a stand that would allow both functions and take up minimal space. For this computational design project, I decided to design and 3D print a dual-use laptop stand. This project was axolotl level for me, since I started as a novice in both design process and technical skills. I spent a lot of time thinking about human factors and other constraints. I had never done 3D modeling or 3D printing before, so there was a steep learning curve for Rhino and Grasshopper. I also experimented with using AI in the design process to understand how designers can leverage it effectively. Here's a diagram of my system and the different factors in designing my stand. In user context analysis, I thought about ergonomics, such as the ideal usage angle of the laptop and the keyboard. I also used the AEIOU framework to consider other human factors, like my desk environment and my ideal use cases. With fabrication analysis, I tried to minimize materials and printing time. In terms of process, I tried out the Atom AI text-to-CAD tool for quick visualization, since I'm not the best with sketching. I also found ChatGPT to be helpful in debugging whenever I got stuck in Grasshopper. After sketching out my initial thoughts, I moved to designing in Grasshopper and Rhino. The stand was modeled parametrically and could be adjusted to various dimensions and shapes. I also modeled laptops with parametric dimensions and viewing angles to simulate how they would interact with the stand. I experimented with adjusting parameters such as the angle of the stand surface, the height of the support structures, and the width of the base. Being able to modify these parameters helped me understand how they affected the stability and human factors of different designs. This real-time feedback on my design helped me iterate quickly to identify a viable solution. As you can see, this stand serves the dual purpose that I wanted. It can support the weight of my heavy MacBook when it's closed, and I can use it as an elevated second screen. It's also ergonomically comfortable. How will AI play a role in computational design? I think generative AI tools like Atom AI can be helpful for initial stages of rapid ideation if you are specific with your language. AI can also evaluate and optimize parametric designs by fine-tuning the parameters much more quickly than humans could. I think that computational design is pretty cool. It helped me prototype and test my designs so that I could iterate quickly. I can't believe how much I have learned about the design process through this assignment. Thanks for watching.